Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I am checking out the YDMEET shower assembly. This comes with instructions right here on the top. I'm also going to be doing installation and demonstration of this. Some little white gloves there, so work with that. Comes with washers and the tools necessary. Nice matte black hose here. Cool, lightweight, and looks like extra long. This is a fairly long shower hose, but you can see how flexible it is and not kinking or anything like that, so that's pretty sweet. I like how it's got a lot of flexibility. The current shower hose that I'm replacing doesn't really bend that well. You got some plumber's tape. All right, so let's check this out here. I have to tear it open. Okay, so check that out. It's got this nice matte black finish that's going to go along with our the color scheme we're kind of going with. So these, just undo these and tighten them to let out water from whichever one you want. So you want the shower head or you want the other portion. Nice solid metal there. Pretty sweet. Looks like the attachments are going to be pretty simple here. We got more tape there. Oh wow. So check out the shower head, a nice size there. I don't even know how many of the holes there are on there, but that's going to be a nice rain pattern coming down, so that's going to be cool. Looks like this is a little bit adjustable here, so you're going to be able to adjust the angle of the rain, not the rain, but the shower. It's going to feel like rain in there with that many holes. And then here we have this. These are all nice and lightweight, but good metal quality here. All right, in here more. We got more washers, more tape, and then we have another valve system here. So this is going to be so we can have it. It has a little thing if you want it on the shower head or the switch it to either or with this easy little switch here. Nice and smooth there. Solid metal. Really good quality seems like here. I'm pretty excited to be installing this. And then we have the nail-free auxiliary. So we don't have to use screws or anything to like pound into our tile or anything like this. This should just attach nicely with this adhesive stuff it gives you. So that's going to be cool. And that will just hold our shower head thing. But yeah, I like that we don't have to like screw it into the wall or anything crazy. So let's go do the install now, shall we? Okay, my friends, here it is. It is installed. I let this sit for about 70 hours and it holds the shower head nicely. This portion, and then we just take it out and use it however we want. Very nice construction. I like how this is super flexible, and this is just, everything works really nice. It's not leaking or anything. Just the water droplets coming out of here are super soft, both of them. This is easy to turn with just a click of your thumb to different ones you want. The valves also to switch between all shower head or all this one here or in the middle, nice and smooth, and this one here to change this height if I want a little bit higher or a different angle, and then this can adjust as well. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on and show you guys the water stream here. All right, so here it is. This is about half and half. I'm gonna switch over to the water coming out of there. Sure. And that can rotate a little if we want. And then we do 50-50, or just do 100% on this one. And just with that, switches over nicely. And this is super soft stream of water, and that can be adjusted as well to make it a little bit of a more concentrated stream with just a click of a button there, and there you have it. So all in all, friends, just really elegant. My wife and I both love this. It works great. It's like a luxury upgrade to your shower. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.